Welcome to the Pride of Piqua Marching Band premiere. We are thrilled to have you with us tonight as we kick off our 2025 season. Whether you are a proud parent, a dedicated family member, or a supportive friend, your presence means the world to our students and staff. Let's make some noise for the Pride of Piqua. As we begin, we invite you all to stand if you are able and clap along as the Pride of Piqua Marching Band marches down the field in a Block P, playing the Piqua Pep Song. And now, please remain standing for the playing of the Piqua High School Alma Mater, written by past Piqua Band director Phil Gates. Thank you very much. Students, show you hello. At this time, students, if you can please go find set 7. We are going to set up for our next part of the evening. We would like to invite one parent or family member down to the field at this time. You will be marching alongside your student and learning a little bit of what it's like to experience just how challenging and rewarding it is to be part of the Pride of Piqua Marching Band. There is a gate at both ends of the stadium. Unfortunately, they are all the way at the ends and not in the center. students help your family member find you out on the field. This is something we started a few years back, and I really think it's been an amazing experience for the parents, but most importantly for our students, to kind of get to share the field with someone they are close with. We are going to rehearse from set 7 to set 9. Each section has different responsibilities this time. The front ensemble has notes that they're playing and music they're creating for the soundscape of the program. Our low brass and low reeds are making a follow the leader around the field over on our left. Color guard, many of them are staying in spot and spinning around the neck, which I can't wait to see how this goes. And then if you're in the back, I hope you brought your gym shoes in the color guard, because we're going to travel quite some distance across the field here at these next 24 counts. This would be a great opportunity to get those phones out, take a picture with your student on the field, take a picture of the family member and student on the field from up in the stands. All right, students, we are going to talk through with your family member right now where we go, how we do this. I don't want you to move and change location. We're just going to point and kind of get a general idea. If there's things you do with your arms, with your body, help them out understanding how that all works. And then we're going to give it a chance. I'll give it a shot. We're going to go from set 7 to 9 once we do that. I think we have some ringers out there on the field right now. All right, let's stand it low. Stand it low, show our family members how we stand and how we prepare for our sets, all the procedures in which we are going to go through. Our drum major, Becca, is going to call you to set. We're going to say set 7 to 9, and then we're going to go through the motion. Parents, your job is to, or family members, I should say, your job is to follow them as closely as you can. Do as best you can with whatever we can. Color guard members, if you want to just help them through the flag work, that's totally fine. Let's try it, Becca. There was a bit of a traffic jam in the lows. Let's go ahead and reset, and we'll try that again. And let's do it again. Make sure we're reset, we're ready to go. Here we go. And go to low. All right, reset. Students, give your family members some helpful hints, some tips on what they need to do. And then you can walk to the front sideline and leave them there. Rachel Grace, you got that? Hey Kira, should I turn the mic on? All right, students, make your way to the front sideline, please. Make your way to the front sideline.
It sounds like a train.
And everyone stand up low for me. Welcome your new drum major to the podium. And the group is all yours. Here we go. Give them a big round of applause, please. Students, go ahead and give your family member a big high five. Grab your equipment. You're going to set up your equipment in set 1, or if you are a sibling, you're going to make your way to lane 5 on the track.
Get up!
All right, as everyone's making their way back into the stands and our students are getting set up on the track, I'm going to give you a couple reminders and highlight a couple things from our season so far. This is the final reminder that the Piqua Band Spirit Store closes tomorrow, Friday, August 15th at noon. So if you missed ordering in our first window, this is your last opportunity to get your gear. You can still grab hoodies, t-shirts, quarter zips, hats, and the fan favorite from the students, the pajama pants. Make sure you submit your orders this evening so you do not miss out. The link is on Parent Square if you are a member of that. If you are not, you can also find that by going to brandedus.com and going to the gear section, and you find Piqua High School Band, and then you can go from there. All items will be delivered to the high school for pickup at that later date. What you're about to see tonight is the result of an extraordinary summer of focus, dedication, and teamwork. From the very first rehearsal, our students committed themselves fully to our procedures and processes, demonstrating incredible focus and discipline at every step. They worked closely with our music arranger and our drill designer, diving into the music and marching with intensity and precision. In just a month and a half, their growth has been nothing short of remarkable. Every note they play and every step they take on this field reflects their passion, preparation, and hard work. Let's give these students a huge round of applause for their outstanding effort. At this time, we are going to introduce some of our upperclassmen and all of our new members to the program. Every new student in our marching band is paired with an upperclassman mentor to help guide them not only through the challenges of marching band, but also through school and life. These relationships are the foundation of our strong band community. Please join me in welcoming these students as I announce their names. Students, if I miss someone, please make sure you raise your hand at the end and I will make sure I get you, okay? A junior flute player who is also one of our drum majors, Kira Partial, and their sibling, Autumn Jones, who is a freshman in the flute section. Enzo Alexander is a senior in our front ensemble, and his sibling is Kaylee York, who is a freshman vibraphone player. Miranda Miles is a sophomore baritone player, and their sibling is Melina Gonzalez, who is an 8th grade baritone player. Trinity Batson is a junior bass clarinet, and their sibling is Carly Elliott, an 8th grade alto saxophone. Haley Davis is a junior clarinet player, and their sibling is Adrian Buck, an 8th grade flute player. Brogan Wyan is a junior snare drummer, and his sibling is Wyatt Foster, who is an 8th grader that plays vibraphone. Katie Jo Beasley is a junior trumpet player and one of our drum majors, and their sibling is Arabelle Simmons, who is a junior in the color guard. Annalise Pummel is a sophomore color guard member, and their sibling is Anna Koenig, who is a freshman color guard member. Riley Tewalt is a junior alto saxophone, and their sibling is Sophia Dorsey, who is an 8th grader in the color guard. Sophia Ferrier is a junior color guard member, and their sibling is Michaela Rudy, who is a junior in the color guard as well. Elena Q is a junior color guard member, and their sibling is John Potter, who is a junior in the color guard as well. Levi Van Meter is a sophomore marimba player, and their sibling is Sarah Johnson, who is an 8th grader on the rack. Nick Ferrier is one of our seniors who plays bari sax, and his sibling is Eli Getz, who is an 8th grade alto saxophone player. Emma Geis is a junior trombone player, and their sibling is Amaya Mormon, who is a freshman trombone player. Danica Steiner is a junior trumpet player, and their sibling is Lacey Coe, who is a freshman trombone player. Carson Lyman is a sophomore in the color guard, and their sibling is Tristan Frazier, who is also a sophomore in the color guard. Kai Schaller is one of our seniors in the clarinet section, and their sibling is Selena Callejas, who is a sophomore clarinet player. Tamian Towsley, a junior snare drummer, and Kason Hughes, a senior tenor drum player, are here with their sibling Mylan Hanning, who is an 8th grade bass drum in the background. Izzy French is a sophomore color guard member with their sibling Lila Silvers, who is also a sophomore in color guard. Caitlin Schlosser is a senior in the trumpet section, and their sibling is Audrey Duke, who is an 8th grader in the trumpet section. And then Sarah Weiser is a junior trumpet player, and their sibling is Riker Potter, who is an 8th grade in the sousaphone section. Is there anyone I missed? Great, a couple. That's what happens. We have Haley Jo Nichols on bass clarinet, who's a senior, and their sibling is Henry Martin on flute. And then we have Soraya Hudson, who is a sophomore flute player, correct, Soraya? And their sibling, McKinley Cooper, who is a 8th grader in the color guard. Let's give one over here also. Man, I missed a ton. Calvin Schauber is a member of our tuba section, and his sibling is Carson Silvers, who is a 8th grade tuba player. All right, did I miss anyone else? Oh my goodness. You guys, this is terrible. We have a senior drum major and tenor saxophone player, Becca Henry, and their sibling, McKenna Mantia, who is an alto saxophone player in 8th grade. All right, let's give all of our new members a big round of applause. Students, you can reset to set 0, please, and we'll check out some levels and such and get ready to go for the show. At this time, we'd like to extend our heartfelt thanks to those who have made this season possible. We want to recognize our incredible band camp staff, and we have a few of them here in the audience today. Lance Corti, Christopher Larson Rivera, Lily Rindler, Brady Fortman, Jack Knudsen, Kayla Cheadle, Naomi Bajent, Kaylee Spitzer. Let's give them all a round of applause. I want to give a big thank you to our Music Booster board members, Tracy Lyman, Betsy Alexander, Rachel Price, Anna Parshall, and Melissa Beasley. They do so much for us. Let's give them a round of applause. Next, I would like to thank Katrina Summers and all of the members that helped with our band camp lunges. So if you could please stand and be recognized for all of your work during band camp. In addition, we would also like to thank the businesses that helped to sponsor lunch during band camp. This year we had sponsorships from Donato's, Transformed Life Church, Hartzell Propeller, This and That Candy on Main, Miami Valley Steel, the Piqua Tim Hortons, Kathy Haney, and our amazing band parents who helped fill in the holes. Let's give them all a round of applause. If you volunteered your time this year and helped fit our marching band uniforms, please stand and be recognized. Thank you for all your help. Next, I would like to thank AJ Ganger for taking incredible pictures all of band camp. If you've seen any of them posted on social media or on Parent Square newsletters, there were some incredible pictures, and it's so awesome to have those to share out with everyone. So let's give him a big round of applause. Next, I want to thank Jeff Applegate and Scott McDade for all of their work on building our props again this year. You can see 4 of them out here, and they're not even finished yet, but there are so many more that they have that I can't wait to debut very soon. So let's give the 2 of them a big round of applause. Next, I want to thank our team of Rachel Grice, Tracy Lyman, Trisha Elliott, and Angela Hanning for leading our patron ad campaign this year. Let's give them a big round of applause. If you're interested in making a donation to our ad campaign, please find a student today, and they'd be happy to reach out with proper paperwork to make this happen. They have a goal of selling $150 each in ads, and this year our goal is $10,000 towards the entire group. Currently, after 2 weeks of sales, and I'm really excited about this, students, are you ready? We are currently at $4,860 of sales in 2 weeks. The students have been doing a great job finding businesses in the area that might want to support a local organization that is full of motivated, caring, hardworking, and passionate students. Our gratitude goes out to Piqua City Schools Administration for their constant and continued support in our musical endeavors. They help with so many things, so let's give all of our Piqua City Schools Administration a big round of applause. Next, I want to give a special shout out to our assistant directors, Mitch Mahaney and Alex Acuna, our color guard director, Shayna Hopwood, and our percussion director, Graham Cartert. We want to take a moment to recognize and thank Mr. Mitch Mahaney for his incredible dedication and service to Piqua High School over the past 20 years. Mitch has been a constant presence in our music program, inspiring students, guiding colleagues, and laying the foundation that has made so much musical success possible. His passion, care, and unwavering commitment have touched countless lives, helping generations of musicians grow both on and off the field. Mitch pours his heart, energy, and attention into every rehearsal, every performance, and every student, always striving to bring out the very best in everyone around him. As he prepares to retire following the 2025-26 school year, we are filled with gratitude for the countless hours, the late nights, and the unwavering dedication he has given to this program. We are thrilled to celebrate his final season with the Pride of Piqua, honoring a legacy built on love, guidance, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Mitch, your care, leadership, and commitment to these students will leave a lasting mark that will inspire this program for years to come. Let's give Mr. Mahaney a huge round of applause and thank him for all his time. Now let's look ahead to our contest schedule for this season. Mark your calendars for these important dates. On August 30th, we have our Northmont premiere. We just got our performance time and a schedule will come out very soon. It is 7:50 p.m. On September 20th, we visit Tip City Invitational. On September 27th, we're going to visit the Hamilton Invitational. On October 11th, here at Piqua, we host our Piqua Invitational, and we have 16 additional bands that are traveling to us for that weekend. On October 18th, we will travel to Bellbrook for the MSBA Invitational there. On October 26th and November 2nd, we host OMEA State Finals right here in Piqua. It's a great event that we host here, and we could use any and all help volunteering for those events. So if you're interested in helping out, please reach out and let us know. And then we wrap up our season on November 8th at the Mid-States Band Association 4A Championships at King's High School. We went and moved from 3A size last year with under 60 members in our winds and percussion section to now the 60 to 85 member range. And so we are now moving into 4A class, and so our championships are held at King's High School. We can't wait to see you all there cheering on the Pride of Piqua as we take the field at each of these competitions. Finally, we are proud to introduce our 2025 marching band show titled Birds of a Feather. This show is inspired by the idea that while we may leave the nest, we always carry a connection to home, and in the end, we always return. It reflects the journey of our students as they set out on their own paths, while still holding a small pull back to where they began. The stage is set like a beautiful sunset, glowing with warm yellows, oranges, pinks, and purples. Our soloist stage, it will transform into a bird's nest, a symbol of home, safety, and belonging. Our musical selections include Arrival of the Birds from the documentary The Crimson Wing, Blackbird by the Beatles, Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish, and Free Bird by Leonard Skinner. Throughout the show, you will hear the lyrics, "If I leave here tomorrow, will you still remember me?" And Blackbird singing in the dead of night, "Take these broken wings and learn to fly," guiding our story of growth, courage, and connection. At the conclusion of the show, we leave you with a simple truth. Wings may wander, love may roam, but birds of a feather always find their way home. Let's do a quick mic check. Let's make sure everything's up and functioning, and then we're going to get started with our premiere of Birds of a Feather. Can I hear a tuba? And can I hear synth? All right. Under the direction of drum majors Katie Jo Beasley, Becca Henry, and Kira Parshall, the Pride of Piqua Marching Band is proud to share Birds of a Feather. Let's give it another round of applause for the Piqua Marching Band. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. We hope you enjoyed our performance. As you head home, please fly safely and have a wonderful evening. Don't forget to support our marching band by placing an ad in our program or making a donation. Your support helps our students continue to spread their wings and create amazing music. We also invite you to flock back to cheer on the Pride of Piqua at our upcoming contests and football games this fall. We can't wait to see you there. Students, go ahead and bring it into the podium.